Hello, fellow X-Tool fans. I am going to show you my latest addition to my base cabinet. I'm going to put an RA3 extension on this thing. First, I want to do is remove the bin, add the shelf, and that puts it level with the base cabinet. Remove anything you have on the base. Like so. Drop stuff on the floor when you want to. All right. Now, for the support, there's a base plate that screws onto your riser. So you remove it from this piece and you put it on this one. Then there are two different methods here. This is the one with the RA3. This is the riser that will put it even with the top of this surface here, or puts the bottom flush with the base like that. So you have a couple different options for doing it. This will give you more clearance. Okay, and there are T-brackets, and you will use 16mm long M4 cap head screws. Okay, so there are two different ones. This matches with the wide spacing. It matches the holes in the base. And the one with the narrow spacing matches holes in the riser. They sit flush. So you just get them started. Like so. Line it up and slide it in place. Okay, and you line it with the marks on the base. So get some light on the subject. Okay, lock it down. Bring the base in place. Like so. All right. Now that's secure. Now you can use the 25mm riser, or just go directly to drop this directly in place. Depends on what you're working on. Okay. And then use the shorter screws. Where's my short ones? These long ones. There we go. Short ones. The holes or slots here line up with these here. And then these also line up, so you can move it side to side, up and back, until you can get it placed how you want it placed. So in this case, I am going to use the wrong screw. That's what I'm going to do. Short screws. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now Now let's put the chuck on. All right. Right. Okay. And the last step, take your item that you're going to work on, install that, set this up so that you can get it centered, like so. All right, check your alignment, looks good, and then just lock it down, like so. That should secure it pretty good for you. If you want, you can add 2 more screws to the front by removing this and adding 2 more screws. But this works pretty good. It's level. Okay, let's just verify we're all the way in the chuck. Looks good that way. Rotate it 180 degrees or so. Check the level. Needs to come up just a little bit more. Okay. Well, it's not perfect. This is where you usually wind up having issues if you don't have this seated all the way in properly. All right. There we go. And lock it. Now we should be good. All right. I did not get this centered right. I think it needs to go to this mark. So, not a problem. Yep. There you go. So, to center this, you put this on the line that has the dot marks next to it. So you have dotted, then you have a solid, then you have a solid with some dotted. This lines up with the solid with the dotted, and it puts it right on the center line. Something to remember. Something I should remember. You would think I know by now. All right. Let's loosen it up. Align it. Lock it down. There we go. All right. Put the bottle in. All right. Okay. And there we go. So let's take a closer look at this. Okay. It lines up with this mark here. Oh, it doesn't focus very well, does it? There. How's that? Okay. And it's leveled. And it's on its center. And then you can see here, those are on the center line as well. And there you go. That is how it works. Pretty cool. Check it out. Links below. Like and subscribe. Hit that button. Thank you. Have a good day.